am going to present this webinar, Transport Plastic Simulation with Automation, AI, and Optimization. And I go by KC, and I've been with Modex 3D for 17 years. Again, today what we are going to present is a project called AOI, Automation, Optimization, Intelligence. Automation is basically we are going to help our users to save more time on the simulation, and you will have more time to evaluate results. We also are trying to help our users to virtually doing the optimization, either from the part design, material selection, process condition, etc. And then we also are going to use the AI tool to leverage our experience or our accumulated knowledge for future projects. So first, what we are going to achieve is how are we to automate inside Model 3D. In Model 3D, we have a called Studio API, which allow you to import a model, create a mesh, select the material, process condition, and then automatically run simulation. Then you will have result. It also will generate report result automatically. However, a lot of people are hesitant to use the API. One of the reasons is you will need to do the coding. And this is just giving you an example. Currently, due to the ChatGPT or Google Gemini, actually everyone is able to do the coding now. Through this coding, you could drive Studio API to do whatever you want to do inside Modex 3D Studio. So this is just give you an example how we are able to use API script inside Studio. So you can see we import the model automatically, create the mesh, including part, runner, cooling channel. And once the mesh is finished, we select the material, set the process condition. You could see the simulation is launched automatically. And this is first model. Now we are going to do a second model, which it could be continuously to import your model, grab your model into Model 3D through API, and then you could keep running simulation. So this is just give you a test how Model 3D API can help you. Sometimes you might have a 2, 3, or 4 model you will need to run simulation. And this could help you to automate this process condition.